Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So this is my Walmart haul, $51. And I just kept going back into the store because I mean, it's a magic and razzle dazzle. So Walmart Christmas clearance hit 75% off. Meijer for Midwest shoppers hit 70, but like that stuff is still super expensive. I just left it at the store. So I'm just going to go through the haul of some of the stuff I got. And I believe the Monday following, it's supposed to hit 90 if there's anything left. And I'm going to be really frank with you guys. There was a ton at my store. I just think people don't have the disposable money to buy stuff on clearance at 50%. Maybe at 75, it might just jog people to shop more, but I found a ton and I'm super excited. So the first items I'm going to talk about are the items I'm super hyper about. It is these 6 packs of the women's socks. So found in like, you know, where they have like, little sloths, where they have like pajamas, that sort of stuff. It was on a wall. It wasn't even tagged. So they were $1.24 each. The original price, I believe, is $4.97. I got a whole bunch of the Snoopy ones. You know, throw that in with a couple Bath and Body Works candles for one of your girlfriends. Totally nice gift. I got like 7 or 8 of those. This is also super uber cute. It is these single counts of the kitchen towels, you know, for baking bread or to like, you know, if you make sourdough just to throw it on top. It's that perfect fabric. So we have the Fa La 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 and Noel, and they were 24 cents each. I grabbed all of them because this is a really good Christmas gift, and I gift to a lot of neighbors, that sort of thing. Throw that in with some chocolates, perfect gift. Another item that I'm super hyper about are these Car Buddies. Now in the Walmart app, it said the original price was $10. But they're $14.98. They were ringing up for $2.50 each this morning, so I grabbed a couple. I thought for my niece and nephews, I'm going to give this to their parents. I usually see them around Thanksgiving. I thought, you know, that would be a lot of fun to have that in the car for kids. And so for $2.50 for them, that was $10. Now, this was also a really good find today. Although in the Walmart app, they were ringing up for 50% off, but at the till they were ringing up for $1.24, and it's just a little cup and toothbrush. And then for all the nieces and nephews, I got one of these. I mean, I think they're so super cute. Now this was an interesting find. This is a little journal, and it's like off of Christmas Vacation in Funko Pops, which I think is so cute. It's all the best stuff from the Christmas Vacation, you know. And I got a bunch of them. I thought I could gift them to my sister-in-law, mother-in-law, you know, just organized for the holidays. And these were $1.24 each, and they were so cute. So I got a bunch of those. I do Operation Christmas Child. I always think it's really nice to put these stickers in. They were 24 cents each, original price point 98. A little 2-pack, very light to ship to overseas. We got the Frozen decals for my nieces. I got 2 different ones, and they were 49 cents, and I got 2 of them. This was really interesting. So anything by this company, it is American Greeting. Some of it was ringing up 75. Some of it was ringing up 50%. These bags, which I think are adorable, were 37 cents each. It's the perfect size to put stockpile beauty gifts to give away for the holidays or for the neighbors, you know, a candle and that. So 37 cents, I stocked up on those. Now this is something I'm really excited about. It was the Seinfeld wrapping paper, and as I predicted, nobody was going to really buy it. My store had like 10 of them left. They were $1.07 each. My husband's like, this is a very crude man. I just got a couple of those. I thought for the kids, we could wrap it up like superhero, but maybe adult stuff instead. And then Baby Shark, I think was like $1 as well. And then this guy was 24 cents, but I only found one, and it is the Walmart holiday wrap. Stock up on tags. These are the Funko Pop Seinfeld. I didn't buy like a ton. There's only 2 per, 49 cents, but lots of Seinfeld fans in my husband's extended family, so I thought that would be a really super cute thing. My mom likes Seinfeld too. And then we have the Paw Patrol tags for the kiddos. They're gonna love those. A little Seinfeld bag. One of my in-laws, her birthday is right near Christmas, and I thought, you know, I'm going to put a little Christmas gift in one of these, and then, you know, a beauty stuff in a bigger bag. This was also 49 cents, but all this Seinfeld stuff. And then this, I'm so happy nobody bought everything at 50%. And I took a gamble. And these bags were also 49 cents, and it's all the cast of Seinfeld, if that's your show, and it's the Festivus stuff. I thought that was super uber cute. So loving my haul. I did go a little hard on all my stuff, you know, because I'm not going to go to the store back and forth 10 times. I just wanted to do one really meaningful haul. So this was $51. I used a $50 IBOTTA gift card to pay for most of this, so I didn't really feel it out of pocket. Special shout out and thank you to the freebie guy. He's on these dates like nobody else. So today, which is Jan 2nd, we have Hobby Lobby at 90% off, Target at 90% off, and Walmart at 75%. Happy shopping, y'all, he probably would say. If you're an avid Walmart shopper, the next big price drop that we will see will be on January the 9th. It should hit 90% off. So that would be next Monday. And the word should be there. So if they're going to get creative and just box everything up, that's happened as well. But next Monday, tentatively. We are still at Walmart, and the controversial Axe gift sets, they had a whole bunch of them, and people were opening them up to fish out the coupons, but a lot of people weren't. They were still ringing up like $4.99, so 50% off, not 75% off. And even if I can get them at 75 and get the free coupon inside of them, I'm just going to leave them all at the store. I think to use that coupon is going to be a big headache, and I just don't want it, even for the free item coupon for $6 that expires at the end of the month. I just think a lot of cashiers are going to give you a hard time with that coupon, so I just left everything at the store. So these food gift sets were also, you know, like $2.49. The original price is $9.98. So if that's your thing, definitely stock up. They will go at 75, hopefully. And then lots of single, like, stocking stuff for food, like really cheap, like a quarter, but you know, I certainly can't indulge in that pre-diabetic lady here, so I just left it all at the store. Dash toasters were $2.50. Definitely be on the lookout for those. Always a really fun thing to gift around the holidays, and they have Santa on them. The UPC, if you want to look that up on BrickSeek. I haven't had a lot of luck with Walmart and BrickSeek, so do that at your own discretion. Probably just go look on a side cap display for them and store. Now, going to different sections in the store, I did want to look at the coffee. They had different cold brews and holiday flavors, 75% off as well. And we have the McCafe, a 24-pack for $3.73. That is a really good price point. Now we're over at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. They hit 70% off today. And if you look at the tag, bottom right-hand corner, it says it's supposed to be that way till the 26th of January. I call nonsense on that because there's no way that the whole month they're going to have that till a Thursday when they merchandised it on a Monday. Who knows when they're going to go for 90, if they will even do that this year. Again, I saw a beautiful wall of these. And guess what? That coupon, you cannot get it to scan at Meijer. You cannot get it to scan at Walmart. Haha. So the very limited where you can get that thing to scan. And there was a cashier working self-checkout, and I know that she would give me a really difficult time. I left everything there. I don't want any drama with this. New year, new me. A lot of the stuff I was seeing, you know, some of it was 70% off, but the single dish towel for $1.79 when I got something similar at Walmart for 24 cents. Like, it was a no-brainer. I just walked through the clearance aisle and just left everything there because half the stuff was ringing up 50 and the other half was like really expensive. $3.99 for this. Some Kohl's prices, like I don't like that price point. I just left everything there, even though that little doggy in the tree is so cute. I did find these and I thought they would make cute stocking stuffers for my nieces. But the original price point is $4.99 down to $2.49. Nothing is ringing up right, and I did not want to have to go through a billion items at self-checkout or regular cash with a cashier who'd be like, no, because that's how they do it at my store. So I was like, I just left everything in a basket and just hightailed it. Walmart is totally where it's at. Their merchandise is a lot cheaper, and everything was ringing up pretty much perfectly over at Walmart. So I just left my cart at Meijer. If they go 90, I might check it out, but I just left a bunch of stuff. And even like $3.79 for that dish towel, nobody's going to buy it. Okay, that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you scored at Walmart, and I'm itching to go back. I want to get more of those socks. I have a problem. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.